The intranet module. This module facilitates the exchange of ideas, opinion, news and information. Let's explore how to use this module. Click on Intranet Content and select the section under which you would want to upload a content. Say for example Business News. Select Business News and click on the Add button. You can type the headline, the subheadline, type the content of the news, scroll down, select the date of publish and the date of expiry of this business news. If you want to attach a file, click on Attach, browse, select the file and click on Attach. The files uploaded over here can be seen on the home page under the Business News section. Let's go to the home page, and here under the Business News section you can see New Product Launch, the business news which we have just added. Now let's explore some more features of the Cube intranet. Click on the modules to enter into the module list. Click on Intranet. Once you have clicked on the intranet, we enter into the intranet section. Now let's see how to upload the Flash video file. Click on the Flash Video Master, select the section where you'd like to upload the Flash video, attach the file and save the form. The Flash video can be seen either on the login page or on the home page as per your selection. So we are on the login page to show you the Flash video which we have just added. Now let's log in and go back to the intranet module and show you how we can rename the subheadings under the main headers given on the landing page. Click on Intranet drop-down. Select the section or the main headers under which we would like to change the subheading. Say for example, under the main header Know Us, we would like to change About the Group, and in its place let us put the subheading Company Profile. Now once you save it, you can view the same on the home page under Know Us. In a similar way, you can change or rename all the subheadings as per your choice on the home page of Cube intranet. So now let's get back to the intranet menu and see how to use the wall. Click on Modules, click on Intranet and click on the wall. The wall facilitates the exchange of ideas between company and the employees. You can post a topic under the wall. Say for example, we want to take ideas from the employees on how to go green. So let us post this topic. Type the headline, scroll down to type the detailed content of the post. You need to select the date of publish and the date of expiry. You can also attach a file supporting to this particular post, and once you save it, it can be seen by your employees on the intranet home page under the wall option. So let us go to the home page to see how to give a reply against this wall. Under the header Voices, you can see the wall option. When you click on the wall, the topic which we have posted can be seen by the employee. Now if the employee wishes to post a reply against the published topic, he will have to click on the hyperlinked post to open and read the post. Now if he wishes to post a reply, he has to click on Post a Reply, put his comment and submit the form. Once submitted, it goes to the sender who has posted the wall, and the sender can then view all the opinions under the wall section, as you can see on the screen under View Opinion tab. Click on View Opinion and you can read whatever opinion has been given by the employee. So this is how you can post a topic under wall and get the opinions from your employees. Let us move now to the ideas and suggestions section. On the intranet portal, under the voice, there is a submenu called Ideas and Suggestions, where an employee can post his ideas or suggestions. To post an idea, he will have to click on Post a Topic. Let us show you by an example. So we are typing a headline, say for example, Suggestion Box Best Idea Award. To elaborate, the detailed idea or the suggestion can be typed provided in the box below. Employee has to select the date of publish and date of expiry and then scroll down to save the form. Once the form is saved, the prompt comes that your topic has been successfully sent to a moderator. The moderator is a person who has been given the right through security management to moderate intranet content. Now when the moderator logs in, he will read the content sent by the employee and click on publish or reject to either publish it on the portal or reject the topic. Similarly, the moderator can also moderate various other intranet content such as personal announcements, grievances, ideas and suggestions given by employees, the wall, etc. to restrict and control the broadcast activity. So this is how you can make optimum use of the Cube intranet portal to improve your interactions and employee engagement. Thank you for watching the intranet